Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Sonam here, and today I'm going to teach you how can you count the number of triangles in the given figure in a very easiest and interesting method. These type of questions you can see in different competitive exams like Olympiad and other competitive exams. So today I'll teach you how can you count in very quick the number of triangles in the figure. Basically I'll explain you three rules in which you can count. So let's start it. Now the figure like this, you can see it's a triangle A, B and C, and this is D. You have to count the number of triangles here. So easily you can count triangle A, B, C means 1. Triangle A, D, C, this one. Triangle A, D, C. And the third one is this one. Triangle A, D, B. So now there are three triangles, but in a very easy way you can't count the number of triangles in this figure. It's quite difficult. So for that I have a rule, that is count the number of triangles like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now add the values like this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you are getting 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 and 1 10. Now count the number of triangles. These are 10. So in this way you can easily count the number of triangles in the figure in seconds. Here also triangle number 1, triangle number 2, you can do 1 plus 2 means 3. 3 is the answer. With the help of this rule you can count. Now rule number 2 says that if you have a triangle A, B and C, rule number 2, so if there are some parallel lines and then you have to count the number of triangles. So you can see triangle number 1, triangle number 2, triangle number 3 and triangle number 4. So there are 4 triangles, but in a easiest way you have to count the number of parallel lines. Parallel line means this one, this one, this and this. So how many parallel lines are there? That will be the number of triangles here, that is 4. So you can count the number of triangles in a very easy way. Another examples also we can have. See, in this figure, triangle ABC, you will count triangle number 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. It will take so much time. But with this formula, you have to just count the number of parallel lines, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It means 7 triangles are there. So in this way, you can count. Trust me, this rule is very interesting and helpful in competitive exams, so you can practice. Now rule number 3 says that if a triangle you have A, B, C and this is a parallel line in it and these are the slanting lines in which you have to count the number of triangles. So for that we have a rule, and the rule says that separate the triangles. For example, it's a ABC triangle now. You can write D and E here. Separate A, D and E. You can see like this. Now there are 1, 2, 3 means 6 triangles that I have explained in the rule number 1. And then separate A, B and C, and again you will get like this. So here also 1, 2 and 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1, that will be 6. So there are 6 and 6, total 12 triangles. So you can count the number of triangles in this way. Another example also we can have to count the number of triangles with this rule, like triangle PQR, like this. Okay, so it will take so much time to count the number of triangles, but according to the rule we will count in a very easy way, like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So there are 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 15 triangles. So in triangle PQR you can see 15 triangles and another 15 for this. So there will be total 30 triangles. I hope you will like this video because it's a easiest rule in which you can count the number of triangles. Let's recall all the rules with the help of this. Rule number 1 was count the number of triangles when these are like this. So you can count the number of triangles 1 and 2. Now 1 plus 2 will be 3. For this also you can see another example, 1 2 3 4 5. Add them, then you can get the number of triangles. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15. So we will get number of triangles 15. Then rule number 2, you have to count, if you have a figure like this, then you have to count the number of parallel lines. In which number of triangles? Count the number of parallel lines, that are 3. It means there are 3 triangles. In this example, count the number of parallel lines, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It means there are 6 triangles. Now rule number 3, that is, if you have vertical and parallel both the lines in the triangle, then you have to count. So separate them. You can separate ADZ like this, and then you have to count 1 2 and 3. So there are 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, and for ABC triangle 6. So there are 12 triangles. For this you can see 1 2 3 4 and 5. So add them, you are getting 15, and for ABC also you are getting 15. So the number of triangles will be 30. I hope you like this video. Share with your friends, your relatives, to get the benefit of tricks that I'll explain in this video. Maths related, everything will be there. Thank you for watching.